Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install protective glass on your Poco X4 GT device. So, I have not found a protective glass especially for this device, but I will use the glass from Xiaomi Poco M2 Pro device. So this glass is fit to our device, as you can see. And now we will install this protective glass on this device. So cool. Firstly, we need to wrap the screen well. So use microfiber for it, or I don't know, paper towel. So firstly, wrap the screen, and cool. Then just remove the protective film from the protective glass and try to install the glass evenly on the phone screen. So just you need to make it evenly. Then just press on your protective glass and remove the bubbles. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.